These celebrity walkout videos are the latest viral trend on social media, and here's how you can make them yourself. First, go to AI Centuries, open the GPT library, and under Trending, you'll see the GPT called Celebrity Walkout. Click Start a Chat, then press Start at the top to activate the chat. The GPT will ask you to fill in a few details so it can create a tailored prompt for your scene. First, upload a reference character. This is the character I'll be using. Then add the necessary information. For example, I chose Los Angeles International Airport with a Lamborghini Aventador and Mercedes-Benz Guard as the car types. Once you hit enter, the GPT will generate a ready-to-use video prompt. Copy the prompt, then head over to OpenArt. Inside OpenArt, go to Video and select Seedance 2 as the video model. Upload the same reference character, paste in the prompt, and before generating, make sure to tag the reference character as well. Then scroll down and set the output format to 9:16, the resolution to 1080p, and the video duration to 15 seconds. Once those settings are ready, click Generate. When the video is finished, you'll get a cinematic celebrity walkout scene where your character walks out of the airport arrivals gate while a huge excited crowd records him as he heads toward the car. We also tried it in 16:9 format, and this is how it looked. And lastly, here's how it looks when you choose hotel at the beginning of the prompt instead of airport. And that's it. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.